Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change uniforms in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. So for the sake of this video, let's say we go to quick play and select play now mode. Here, if we select custom game and choose a team, we'll able to change the uniform. Like all I have to do, simply select the team. You're gonna see the option edit uniforms at the bottom. Select that, and that will able to change the uniform. Like you can go for home uniform, away uniform. You can also go for things like current home option. You can also go for 2020s away and all that options you have here. So whichever you like, simply choose that. Even you can change the helmet, jersey and all that jazz. Let me just choose this one, and here you can see we'll able to change the helmet, jerseys, pants and all that jazz. Now once you're done, simply hit the back button and now you're ready to go. Simply start the match and you'll able to play with that specific uniform. And it is that easy to change uniform in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.